Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to create a clean and professional April flyer design using Photoshop? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through step by step how to create this beautiful new month flyer from scratch. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. It really helps the channel grow. Let's get started. First, let's set up our document. Set the unit to inches, size to 4 by 5, resolution to 300, and the background color to transparent. Then click Create. Next, go to the adjustment layer and select Solid Color. Choose white. The color code is FFFFFF. Now, let's start with typography. The font we'll be using is Bricolage. You can find the font file and all resources in the description below. Press T on your keyboard to activate the text tool, then draw a text box like this. Type "Welcome to the month of April." Adjust it properly and align the text to the left. Press Ctrl+H to toggle your grid for better alignment. Next, we'll add a description below the main text. Create another text box and paste your text from your notepad. Reduce the font size to about 6. Set the height to auto. Adjust it neatly. And change the text color to black. 000000. Now let's create a call to action button. Draw a shape here and give it a temporary color. We'll adjust it later. Set the corner radius to 35. Add text inside the button and follow these settings. Select both the text and the shape. Align them vertically and horizontally, then group them and name it Button. Next, import your image from the gallery. This image fits perfectly, so no adjustment is needed. Now let's update the button color. Use the color picker to pick a color directly from the image. Duplicate the image by pressing Ctrl+J, then press Ctrl+T to transform it. Right-click and select Flip Vertical. Position it like this and reduce the opacity to create a reflection effect.
Next, let's add a shadow. Click the plus icon to create a new layer. Switch your foreground color to black and place the layer below the image. Apply the shadow. And reduce the opacity to make it subtle. Now insert your logo from the gallery. To blend it with the design, go to Layer Style, select Color Overlay, and use the color picker to match the main color. You'll notice this area looks empty. Let's fix that by creating a simple shape using the pen tool. Follow this process to draw the shape, then change the stroke color to black and increase the stroke size. Apply a gradient to the shape. Then add a drop shadow from Layer Style to give it depth. At the footer, create a rectangle shape. Turn off the stroke, Enable the fill and set it to black. Adjust it properly. Now let's add texture to the background. Import your texture. Scale it well. Change the blend mode to multiply and reduce the opacity. Remember, the focus should remain on the design, not the background. To save time, I've already prepared some elements behind the scenes, but you can easily create them yourself. Now let's group all your elements to keep your work organized. I'll speed up this process. Finally, let's add a lighting effect. Create a new layer. Press B for the brush tool. Select a soft, round brush and increase the flow to 100. Pick a color from the image and apply it like this. Change the blend mode to screen. Then group it and name it Glow. To finalize, press Alt, Ctrl, Shift, and E to merge everything into one layer. Then change the blend mode to Soft Light, or any mode you prefer. And that brings us to the end of today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating, keep improving, and keep learning. Bye for now.